para po to kay Doc Josie.
Yes.
Doc Josie, how does neural processes relate to my child's learning?
Well, that's a great question, Jen. So, I think you were hearing it a little earlier. So, neurons are like the tiny building blocks of your child's brain. And then, these neurons, they connect with each other through a process called synaptogenesis. And basically, it's how learning starts to happen. Every connection helps your child pick up new information. And then, there's myelination, and as also mentioned earlier, think of it as a wrap. Wrapping these connections in a protective layer so that the brain messages travel faster. So much so that the more myelinated the brain, the quicker they can process and learn things. Kaya sobrang importante talaga yung early years ng isang bata.
Grabe, ang dami po palang nangyayari sa brain ng bata at such a young age. Pero to be honest, parang ang daming kailangang bantayan, yung mga milestones, nakaka-overwhelm din paminsan. Pero how do we make sure na masusundan namin yung lahat to?
You're absolutely right, Dennis. That's why you as parents, you have to have a very good knowledge and understanding of the so-called essential milestones of development. And if you will allow me very briefly, there are 4 domains of development, namely language, physical, cognitive, and social. Siyempre, ang sasabihin, Doktor, ang dami-dami naman yan. Paano naman namin malalaman kung alin dyan ang dapat namin sundan? That's why, napaka-importante po ang checklist. And always remember na nag-iiba ang milestones ng bata across the different ages. At 3 years old, at 4 years old, and at 5 years old. That's why I always tell parents, hindi mo kailangang i-memorize yan. Pero dapat meron kang nalalaman na importanteng milestone at this particular age. And you have something with you that will help you to track the milestones of your children. Kaya po sa ngayon, makakatanggap po tayo ng tinatawag na milestone tracker para mag-guide kayo and you can support your child confidently one step